Sangoju. So in this video we are going to take a topic for 8th class mathematics students. So for 8th class you have learnt in our previous videos the properties of rational numbers and how can we represent the rational numbers on the number line, and how can we insert the rational numbers between two integers and also between two rational numbers. Okay, right? These topics we learned in our previous videos. Okay, in this video you are going to learn how to represent the decimal form of rational number. Decimal representation of rational numbers. For example, a rational number is the 3 by 5. Okay, P by Q form numbers are all rational numbers. Already you learnt. Now how can we represent this fraction or rational number in decimal form? Okay, so what is the decimal? Decimal means a point. Okay, how can we write, how can we convert into decimal form? Just simply by dividing the numerator by the denominator. Numerator is divided by the denominator. You know that already. Okay, now 5 how many times will go from 3? So not possible because this is less than the number. So you take 0 point decimal. Okay, when you take decimal, you take 0 in the part, in this part. Now how many times will it go? 5, 6 and 30. So you will get remainder 0. So now what is the decimal form of 3 by 5? That is 0.6. In the quotient part you got 0.6. So that is the decimal form of this rational number. Okay, so in this way, if you take one more example, 5 by 6, how can we represent this rational number in decimal form? Just you have to divide the numerator by the denominator, then you will get the decimal part. So in this way we represent the rational numbers in decimal form. And also conversely means here decimal to rational numbers. Decimal to rational numbers also we can write. How can we write that? For example, 0.6. If we have to convert this 0.6 into rational number, how much we get here? 3 by 5 we shall get. But how can we convert decimal to rational numbers? For example, 0.6 is there. How can we write this 0.6 in the form of rational number or P by Q form? So for that what we have to do? You write first as the numerator without decimal. Without decimal, what is the number here? 6. Okay, right. Now in the denominator part you write 10. Why we are taking here 10? Because after decimal we have only one digit. Okay, decimal part we have only one digit. That's why you write 10. If there are 2 digits, you write 100. That's all. Okay. Now 6 by 10. If you simplify this 6 by 10, you will get 3 by 5. It is divisible by 2. 2 3 is 6 and 2 5 is 10. So the simplest form of 6 by 10 is 3 by 5. Okay. See here we have got the 3 by 5 again. So rational number to decimal form and decimal form to rational numbers. In this way you have to represent the decimals in rational numbers form and rational numbers in decimal form. Okay, right, thank you. So by using this topic you have to solve some problems which will be given at the end of our video.